If you want to get free wallpapers on POCO F7 Pro, first of all we need to go to settings. Then in the settings we're gonna scroll down to personalization. And over here, if you scroll down, you should be able to find, for example, online wallpapers option over here, or even find more. We're gonna actually select online wallpapers so that we are redirected to the store with wallpapers. We can scroll down in order to try to find something interesting. You can also find some of these options at the top, like different categories and so on and so forth. So let's say we're gonna choose something like design. And then over here, we're gonna select a wallpaper, perhaps this one. Now we can, of course, tap in order to switch the preview to the home screen. You can move left and right to adjust it, zoom in and zoom out as you wish. Remember that you may have some additional options at the bottom of the screen, for example, the wallpaper scroll option. And we can press apply in the top right corner. Then we can decide to use it for the lock screen, home screen, or both. I'm gonna set it for both. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!